Hi, I'm Dr. Francis Winski, and today we're going to talk about laser tattoo removal. You know, you just woke up from that night out last night, and guess what? I really don't like this tattoo anymore. It sounded like a good idea last night, but this morning it's not looking so pretty. Anyway, we can get rid of tattoos. Laser tattoo removal is a process that we use to get rid of tattoos. In some cases, if the tattoo is small enough, we can sometimes surgically remove them, but in more cases the tattoos are bigger and we really don't want to leave that much of a scar, so now we use laser to remove the tattoo. In tattoo removal, the most important element is the color. Black is the easiest color to get rid of. Blue, green, and green are the hardest colors to get rid of. Everything else in between is, as it sounds, in between. Tattoo removal is a process because what you're doing is you're using laser energy to be absorbed into the different pigments of the tattoo to break down those pigments and have your body basically wash them away over the course of time. If you ever look at the old-time sailors who had tattoos and you look at their tattoos, you really can't see exactly what it was. It kind of looks like this sort of blue-green, globby, messy thing where you really have a hard time sorting out exactly what the image was. Well, that happens because of the aging process and your body's attempt to try to remove that pigment that was placed there. With tattoo or laser tattoo removal, what we're doing is we're trying to accelerate that process. And the way we do that is by having that laser break up those pigments. Now, having said that, there is a new additive that the tattoo artists have put into their ink to make the colors more brilliant and make them brighter and shinier, and that is titanium oxide. And when you hit titanium oxide with a laser, it turns black, and it's permanent. There's no way to get rid of that. So one of the things you sometimes have to do is test the color spots in a tattoo to make sure there's no titanium oxide. Because if it's blended into the pigment, unfortunately, laser tattoo removal is not an option for you. On the other hand, if it's a tattoo that you and your buddy did in the garage with a little pen and an India ink and a couple needles, that's pretty easy to get rid of because I doubt either one of you are very good at getting the ink at the same level, and the ink is probably pretty superficial, so that one would go pretty quickly. Patients will pay a lot of money to get a tattoo put on, or what they think is a lot of money, and they'll like it for a little while, but it takes a lot more time and effort and money to get rid of that tattoo. So, two things. Be careful on what tattoos you pick and where you put them. And secondly, if you have to get a tattoo, think about the colors, because the colors will determine how easily it can be removed. I hope this information helps you in making your choices either way about your tattoos.